Sometimes it can be confusing to know when to use words like I, me, we, and us. In this lesson, we are learning about personal pronouns and how to use them correctly in sentences. Mr. Mitchell here, and welcome to Nothin Fancy Literacy, where we provide simple, clear grammar lessons for students, teachers, and ESL learners. Pronouns take the place of nouns. Personal pronouns help us avoid repetition and make sentences smoother. Let's look at how they work. We use I and we when we are doing something. For example, Mum and I went to Sydney. We went to school together. In these sentences, I and we are doing the action. Now let's look at me and us. We use me and us when something is happening to you. For example, the teacher gave the award to me. The coach spoke to us after the game. In these sentences, me and us are receiving the action. Here is another example. My friend and I played soccer after school. The teacher gave us extra time to finish our work. Using the correct pronoun helps your sentence sound clear and correct. Here is your activity. Write a sentence using I, me, we, or us. Take a moment to pause the video and try it yourself. If this lesson helped you, subscribe to Nothin Fancy Literacy for more simple and clear grammar lessons.